everybody, Rich and Candace with PCC. Hey, here to do the giveaway for the April newsletter. So our video was based on simulation, some of the capabilities that Siemens brings to the market with regards to simulating PLCs, simulating machines, topics like that. And so in order to enter for our giveaway, the Siemens Tech Pack here, you had to answer the question. It is, in order to simulate/emulate a Siemens PLC, you must replace the programmed CPU hardware with an emulator PLC type in the hardware configuration. I want to quickly go over this because there were a few incorrect answers on the list here. So the answer to that is you do not need to replace that CPU in your hardware configuration. You can use it as it's programmed. I can definitely see in the market there's a reason why you might say yes, you need to replace it, and that's because there's several manufacturers. One specific comes to mind where you do have to replace the PLC in your hardware config before you can actually emulate that PLC. So that is absolutely not the case with Siemens. You can take your project as it exists and you can emulate that thing and see your logic run just as it is. So we'll get on with the drawing here. So the random number generator, please, Candace.
All right, number 20.
All right, number 20 is John from Marinette Marine. We will get in contact with you to get you the Siemens Tech Pack. Thanks a lot for participating, and we'll talk to you next month.
Thanks.